I'm going to show you how you can get a worker or how to hire an employee on the Schedule 1. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. All you need to do is go to the warehouse. If you don't know how to find it, it's right here. As you can see, this is where I'm at right now, and this is the warehouse. So just go to this point of the map, or you can also use the console to teleport to the warehouse directly, like this. So you can either do that or go to this part of the map and go downstairs. Now once you are here, you will need a requirement of a rank, and you can only go to the warehouse in these specific hours. If it's your first time, it will ask you to talk with an NPC, and then you need to go upstairs where you will find this guy right here. So once you are here, at the left you will see the list of the different employees you can get and their price or their salary and their function. So this is the list of all the employees you can get, and to get them you need to talk to many. And let's hire an employee. Now you need to pick between the different types of workers you can get. For example, let's say I want a cleaner. Just do this, and take in account that you will need a property or a business to have a worker. So in my case, I only have the barn, so I'm gonna select this property. So you will need to have the money in your cash. If you don't have it, just go withdraw it. In my case, I'm gonna do it with the console. And now let's try again and hire the worker. So now he will automatically send the worker over to the property, so we can teleport to the barn or wherever you have it. Now if I open, the worker will appear right here. So this is the cleaner I just got, and to get it to work, you need to assign a bed first. So as you can see, I have 4 beds right here. So let's place this one, for example. Just click wherever you want to place it, and then you need to select the clipboard you have in your hotbar and go back to your worker. So now press E, manage the cleaner, and as you can see, it doesn't have any bed. So click there and go to the bed where you want to assign to your worker, and then click the bed you want to assign. So now the cleaner has this bed assigned. As you can see, this is the cleaner I just got, Samantha. And now if you want her to work, you just need to open the briefcase and draw her their salary. So in this case, it's 100. So you just need to put 100 on their briefcase, click on done. And then after that, depending on the type of worker you have, in this case, it's a cleaner. So I will need to assign a trash can as well. So let's do the same process we did with the bed. We need to assign a trash can. So click right here and go to the trash can. We can assign up to 3 trash cans for the worker. So after she has the money, the bed, and the trash can, in this case, because she's a cleaner, she can start working. So if we go right here, she should start working automatically, but you can talk to the worker to see why she is not working. In this case, it's because there's nothing for her to do, because my property is empty. But that's the full process you need to follow if you want to use a worker on Schedule 1. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.